Greetings everyone. Sorry it's been so long since I uploaded a video. Don't worry, I am okay. These little roadside stalls where you can just help yourself to some fresh produce are all over the place in Japan. I really like them. You just grab what you want and put some money in the box. Hello! How are you? These kids decided that I'm pretty interesting, so they came back to talk with me. And the whole time, this little girl is just grabbing this dog around the chest with just one arm, just squeezing it, and its legs are hanging in the air, kicking.
Doa, nice to meet you, Doa.
So I arrived at the biggest town in Tokunoshima, and I went to a cafe to use the internet and make a video. I'm going to show you guys this cool little sandwich. This is cheese, potato, and fish roe. I've never had the fish roe like this before. It's not eggs, it's the whole roe sack, which looks kind of like a fat sausage. No, it just tastes like cheese with a slightly fishy flavor. That's about it.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. ケイちゃんも自分がガイドしてくれてる闘牛の練習みたいな。
After the cafe, I had explored an apartment store
We'll go downstairs
and get a little bit lost.
There's an escalator up, but we'll go down. There's some chocolate there.
I found a spot to set up my hammock for the night, behind a sugarcane field a little up the hill just outside of town. Alright, so here's dinner for tonight. Load up the lettuce with various bits and bobs. And then we throw it back. So here I'm headed out of my campsite first thing in the morning, heading down into town. And I guess it's a good time to explain, as I'm exploring the little alleyways here, that I've been super busy, so I haven't had time to upload a video. So apologies if anyone was worried about me or if you were missing seeing what's going on. There's a lot more footage to come, but I'm actually in Korea right now. And it seems like I'm going to be headed to China in about a month. I will keep posting videos, and you guys will get to see the story as it unravels. Yeah, but if there is a time period where I don't upload for a while, please don't worry. I'm fine. I assure you I'm fine. Just super busy doing something else for a bit. Thanks for understanding. I'm gonna follow the coast, so I want to take a shower. So after a couple days in that town, going between the campsite and that cafe so that I could edit and upload video, then I continued circling around the coast. Hello little cows. Baby cows are pretty cute, eh? What do cows like to eat? Let's try. Get some of this. They can pick it apart. Wow, look at those things. Holy moly. Hello, little cow. Would you like some snacks? Is any of this yummy? There. Is any of that good? Or is it all gross? Something there might be good. just remembered I need to find drinking water. I think I'm all out. It's a nice looking beach. Pretty sweet. Cool, man. Cool. So this is some Robinson Crusoe shit right here. Although probably fewer plastic bottles back in the days of Crusoe. This is an interesting tide pool. Look at how circular it is. Unusually shaped tide pool. Very cool. Holy moly. Oh! A bajillion birds in a potato field. Clearly these streamers are across here to ward off birds. And clearly they don't work. So what are the birds doing? Are they really eating potatoes? Apparently that building I thought was a private beachfront villa or something is a cafe. So let's check it out. Let's see what's at the cafe. Let's see if it's open. Open. It says it's open. Wow, it's actually open, eh? Whoa. Oh, nice. Great timing. Can I have it here,
Yeah,
please?
okay.
Oh, thank you. Wow, that looks awesome.
Hi, thank you.
It's Indian style food? Indian food?
オリジナル
Original?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This this curry は、カブベジカリー、ベジタブルカリー。This カリーは、なんて言ったらミンチチキンカリーと、
鶏肉。
鶏肉、はいはいはい、鶏肉です。と、ソイヨーグルト。
Oh, nice. Ooh. Wow. Oh, this is great. Look at this place. Oh, this is cool, man. At this point, I'm starting to search for a place to put up my hammock for the night. Oof. What about here? I was tempted to put up my hammock on those little pine trees in the sand. Wow. But I was afraid that my weight would just uproot them, so decided not to. Although that would have been an amazing place to camp. Whoa. This is really cool. Look at that. There's an apartment building there. Kind of big complex there. I bet that's like a guest house. Keeping an eye out for snakes. So mostly in the nighttime. I've never seen a snake in the daytime. On Maki or Tokunoshima. It's always been nighttime. So hopefully daytime's less dangerous. Just feel like I can't not try. You know, they're right here. They're so close. Let's see if I can twist one off. There it goes. I will report back to you. I dubbed the Lonely Papaya Beach. Papayas over there. Papayas right there. Papayas right there. Right there. Look at this. This is this is really cool. Oh, just look at these pillars of vines snaking up these beachside pines. It just looks so cool. It's gotta be a native plant, right? They wouldn't let a non-native species do this. Check out this guy. Just cruising around and... Hello, buddy. How you doing? You're not very shy, huh? Well, I gotta feed the goat, right? Can't not feed the goat. So... Look at him go. He's got food. He's all set. Bye, dude. Got a villa down here.
So at this point I've been searching for a campsite for a while, and the sun is starting to go down.
The problem here is it's just so thick. There's no forest, right? Oh, I guess we'll take a look over there. It's a maybe. It's a big old maybe. Probably not. Oh my god, it just drops straight down. It's terrifying. It's a big old no, definite no. Oh man. There's the helipad. That's cool. Just need a spot. 2 trees, not that far apart. End of the line, I think. Alrighty. All set up. This is a pretty dope camp spot. There's a lot of work to find this place. Took me like an hour and a half of searching, but I got to see some nice beach. And yeah, look at that. It's a pretty dope campsite. And in the morning I'll probably be able to wander down to the beach, take a bath. Awesome.